So today's project is reconditioning the switch from my 1945 Ford 2N tractor. I've been extremely dissatisfied with all the quality of the Chinese aftermarket parts that are available for this tractor. Sure, you can get the parts, but they're of dubious quality oftentimes. So I had a problem with the no start condition, and I found out, took the switch out, and you can see the stalk for the starter button is the weld is no longer connected. So what I'm going to do is we're going to clean this up really good, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to braze this. Either braze or silver solder this joint here so we can connect this back together successfully. After that, I did take this off just to get the disc polished up here. See, I got the contact disc all cleaned up, and I'll be working on the contacts for the terminals here too. So you can see it's pretty easy. There's a couple of little knurled in, or I should say stamped in, I don't know what do you call it, tamped in staking here. I'm just going to carefully do that, and I may even put just a tiny little bead here, just a little weld, just to keep it together. But yeah, this is kind of what the insides of the switch look like. I'll post the results here in a little bit, and I'll let you know how it all went for me. All right. Well, it's fixed. Ended up welding instead of brazing. I found there was actually more room than what I thought in between here and the hole and the casting on the tractor itself. So got this all square, welded in. Of course, like I said, I polished the contacts inside, and I put 4 little spot welds around the cover actually after I snapped it in. So to retain it, did a continuity test, the old $10 Gardner bender, and everything is working good. So we'll try it on the tractor here. Okay, let's see how it goes. Good to go. There you go.